welcome to Sun Signature Online Mathematics class. My name remains Tomisele Famous. I have a problem on the board, it's a variation problem, and this one is a joint variation. Say m varies jointly as the square of n and the square root of q. If m is 24 when n is 2 and q is 4, find m when n is 5 and q is equal to 9. Now, a joint variation is a variation that exists, a relationship that exists between one or two variables, okay? It can be two or more variables. Let me just put it that way, okay? So now, mathematically, we can write the mathematical relationship, okay? We can write the mathematical relationship. M varies jointly as what? The square of n. That is, so m varies as the squares of n times and the square root of what? Q. Okay? M varies jointly as what? The square of n times the square root of what? Q. So then I can write that m now will be equal to k n squared times the square root of what? Q. This is the relationship. This is the relationship. Where k is also always regarded as the constant of the proportionality. It's regarded as what? The constant of the proportionality, okay? So we now have the relationship m is equal to k n squared times the square root of what? Q. So if m is 24, now you can now substitute the value. M is 24, so I can write 24 now will be equal to, k is what I'm looking for. K times n is what? Is 2, so it will be 2 all square times the square root of what? Q, which is Q is what? 4. And the square root of 4 is invariably 2, of course we know. So I can write that this as 24 is equal to 4k, which is 2 times 2 is 4k, times what? Square root of 4 is what? 2. Okay? So 24 now will be equal to 4 times 2 is what? 8k. Okay? So k now will be equal to 24 all over what? 24 all over what? 8. So my k will be what? 3. My k is 3. The constant of the proportionality is 3. So we are asked to find m, okay, when n is 5 and q is 9. Find m when n is equal to 5 and q is 9. So we can use the same values, the same formula, okay? M is equal to k n squared times the square root of what? Q, okay? That is the relationship. So we are looking for m when n is 5. So my n become what? 5 squared. So I can write m now will be equal to, my k is already 3 times what? 5 all square. 5 all square times the square root of 9, which is what? 3. The square root of 9 is 3. Okay? I don't need to write that again. The square root of 9, because q is equal to 9. So the square root of 9 is 3. So my m now will be equal to 5 times 5 is 25. This will be 3 times 5 will be what? 75. Okay? 5 times 5 is 25. 3 times 25 is 75 times what? 3. Okay? 75 times 3. Therefore, my m now will be equal to 225. This becomes my value of m. Don't forget to follow me on my YouTube, also on my Instagram and on my TikTok, also on my Facebook. Comment on them and share it. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.